Are you curious about how to use ChatGPT to make an almost completely passive income effectively? Then you have come to the right place. ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI tool, can be used not only for generating responses that sound human, but also for making money. In this video, we will provide a guide to master generative AI and show you how to use ChatGPT to its full potential. We will cover the basics of how to use ChatGPT, the benefits and risks of artificial intelligence, and how to make the most of its capabilities. From brainstorming ideas to generating code and titles, we will provide tips and tricks to help you use ChatGPT effectively. So, if you're ready to learn how to leverage AI and make money using ChatGPT, keep watching. Now, before we get to the different ways of actually making money, it's time to delve into how to use it effectively. ChatGPT is a free-to-use and advanced AI tool that can assist you in a variety of ways. You can use it for anything from generating content and conducting research to personal and business communications. Here are some tips on how to make the most of your ChatGPT experience. Keep your prompts clear and specific. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool, but it works best when you provide it with specific prompts. Instead of asking a general question like, "What is the meaning of life?" try asking something more specific like, "What are the most popular philosophies about the meaning of life?" This will help ChatGPT to provide you with more relevant and useful answers. Provide feedback. The more feedback you provide to ChatGPT, the better it will be able to understand your needs and provide more accurate responses. When you receive a response that is particularly helpful, let ChatGPT know by reacting positively to it. Conversely, if you receive a response that isn't helpful, provide negative feedback so that ChatGPT can learn from its mistakes. Experiment with different prompts. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of data, and it can provide answers to a wide range of topics. Try asking it questions about different fields or industries to see what kind of responses you get. This will help you understand the breadth of ChatGPT's capabilities and how you can leverage them to your advantage. Keep your expectations realistic. While ChatGPT is an incredibly advanced tool, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. It may not always provide you with the exact answer you're looking for, or it may occasionally provide irrelevant responses. However, with time and practice, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT effectively to get the best possible results. Stay ethical. Finally, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is an AI tool, and it's crucial to use it ethically. Avoid using it to generate content that is plagiarized or misleading, and always give credit where credit is due. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can be used for a wide range of applications. By following these tips, you can learn how to use it effectively and get the best possible results. Now that we have discussed the fundamentals of ChatGPT, let's dive into the first topic of how to use ChatGPT effectively: brainstorming. Brainstorming is a critical step in the creative process, and ChatGPT can be a fantastic tool to help generate new and exciting ideas. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas on any topic, from article ideas to product concepts. For example, let's say you're working on a new blog post about technology and you're struggling to come up with ideas. You can ask ChatGPT a question like, "What are 10 trending topics in technology that I could write about?" And ChatGPT will generate a list of responses. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT can be a great resource for brainstorming, it is not infallible. Its responses are based on the data it has been trained on, which means that it may not always be accurate or provide the best ideas. That's why it's always a good idea to double-check its responses before using them. Another way to use ChatGPT for brainstorming is to ask it to generate questions related to a particular topic. This can help you think more deeply about the subject and come up with new angles to explore. For example, if you're writing an article about artificial intelligence, you could ask ChatGPT to generate questions like, "What are the ethical implications of AI?" or "How is AI being used in the healthcare industry?" One important thing to keep in mind when using ChatGPT for brainstorming is that it can be easy to get stuck in a loop of generating similar ideas. To avoid this, try to vary your prompts and questions to get a broader range of responses. In addition to generating ideas, ChatGPT can also be used to refine and develop existing ones. For example, if you already have an idea for a product or service, you can ask ChatGPT for feedback and suggestions on how to improve it. You could also ask it to generate potential names or slogans for your product. Another way to use ChatGPT for brainstorming is to ask it to generate prompts or story starters for creative writing. For example, you could ask it to come up with a prompt like, "Write a short story about a character who wakes up in a different universe every day." This can be a great way to overcome writer's block and generate new ideas for your writing. It's also worth noting that ChatGPT can be customized to generate responses in a specific style or tone. For example, if you're writing a humorous blog post, you can ask ChatGPT to generate responses in a comedic style. This can help ensure that the ideas it generates fit with the overall tone of your work. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for brainstorming and generating new ideas. Whether you're working on a blog post, a product concept, or a piece of creative writing, ChatGPT can help you overcome writer's block and come up with fresh, exciting ideas. Just remember to double-check its responses and vary your prompts to get a broader range of ideas. In the next section, we'll explore how ChatGPT can be used to generate a first draft of your work. Are you a content creator looking for ways to get your content found? Look no further than ChatGPT. This powerful language model chatbot can assist you in generating compelling titles, descriptions, keywords, and texts that will help your content stand out. One of the best features of ChatGPT is its ability to quickly generate ideas. Simply enter a broad topic or keyword, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential titles and descriptions that you can use for your content. This is especially useful if you're struggling to come up with a catchy or attention-grabbing title. When it comes to SEO, keywords are key, but finding the right keywords can be a daunting task. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Enter your topic or niche, and ChatGPT will generate a list of relevant keywords that you can use to optimize your content for search engines. But generating titles and keywords is only the beginning. ChatGPT can also help you write compelling texts for your content. Whether it's a blog post, article, or video script, ChatGPT can generate sentences and paragraphs that you can use as a starting point for your own writing. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it can help you think outside the box. Sometimes we get stuck in our own thought patterns and struggle to come up with new and interesting ideas. But ChatGPT can help you break out of that rut and explore new topics and ideas that you might not have considered otherwise. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to adapt to your writing style. By analyzing your writing, ChatGPT can generate texts that match your tone and style, making it easy to integrate into your own writing seamlessly. Of course, no AI chatbot is perfect, and there may be times when ChatGPT generates content that doesn't quite hit the mark. But even in these cases, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool. By generating content that misses the mark, ChatGPT can help you refine your own writing and better understand what works and what doesn't. Ultimately, ChatGPT is a valuable resource for any content creator looking to boost their SEO and generate compelling content. With its ability to quickly generate ideas, keywords, and texts, ChatGPT can save you time and energy while helping you create content that stands out from the crowd. So why not give it a try and see how it can help you take your content to the next level? If you are looking to make money as a writer, translator, or content creator, ChatGPT can be a useful tool to leverage. With its impressive natural language processing abilities, you can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content, create translations, or even ghostwrite for clients. One way to make money with ChatGPT is through ghostwriting. If you are an experienced writer or content creator, you can use ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, or social media content for clients. This can be a great way to make money without having to spend time brainstorming topics or writing from scratch. Simply provide the prompts or ideas to ChatGPT, and it will generate the content for you. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is through translations. ChatGPT can translate text in over 50 languages, making it a powerful tool for content creators who work with multilingual clients or audiences. You can use ChatGPT to translate articles, blog posts, or even entire websites, and charge clients for your translation services. You can also use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions and reviews for e-commerce websites. With its natural language processing abilities, ChatGPT can generate product descriptions that are informative and engaging, and reviews that are compelling and persuasive. By offering these services to e-commerce businesses, you can make money as a content creator or writer. Another way to use ChatGPT to make money is by offering SEO services. ChatGPT can help you generate titles, descriptions, keywords, and other important metadata for websites and online content. By offering these services to clients, you can help them improve their search engine rankings and increase their online visibility, while also making money as an SEO specialist. If you are a copywriter or advertising professional, you can use ChatGPT to generate ad copy and taglines for clients. ChatGPT can generate persuasive and attention-grabbing ad copy that can help businesses stand out from their competition. By offering these services to clients, you can make money as a copywriter or advertising specialist. ChatGPT can also be used to generate creative writing pieces, such as short stories, poetry, or even screenplays. This can be a great way to make money as a writer, while also having fun exploring your creativity. You can sell these pieces to literary magazines or even publish them yourself. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create social media content for clients. With its natural language processing abilities, ChatGPT can generate engaging and shareable social media posts that can help businesses build their online presence. You can charge clients for your social media content creation services and help them connect with their audience in a meaningful way. Finally, if you are an academic writer or researcher, you can use ChatGPT to help generate ideas for research papers or thesis projects. ChatGPT can provide you with insights and suggestions on research topics, as well as generate summaries of existing literature on a given subject. By using ChatGPT, you can save time and effort in your research and make money as an academic writer or researcher. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for those who are looking to get a job or write resumes. One of the main ways that it can be helpful in this regard is through the creation of compelling cover letters. With ChatGPT, you can generate text that will help you stand out from the crowd and capture the attention of hiring managers. Another way to use ChatGPT for job seeking is to generate resumes. By inputting your personal information and work experience, you can get a head start on creating a well-crafted resume. ChatGPT can also help with creating descriptions for your previous job roles, highlighting your key achievements and skills. One of the benefits of using ChatGPT for job applications is the ability to sound smart and sophisticated. With the generated text, you can present yourself as a highly educated and experienced individual, even if you do not have extensive work experience or education. This can help you to get noticed and be taken seriously by potential employers. ChatGPT can also be useful for preparing for job interviews. You can use it to generate potential interview questions and practice your responses, ensuring that you are well prepared for the actual interview. This can help to reduce your anxiety and increase your confidence. In addition, ChatGPT can be used to create professional social media profiles, which can be helpful for job seekers. With the generated text, you can create profiles that sound professional and engaging, highlighting your skills and accomplishments in a way that will appeal to potential employers. If you are a freelancer, ChatGPT can be a useful tool for creating proposals for potential clients. You can use it to generate text that highlights your skills and experience, explaining how you can help the client achieve their goals. This can help you to win more contracts and increase your income. Overall, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for those who are looking to get a job or improve their career prospects. Whether you are creating cover letters, resumes, social media profiles, or proposals, the generated text can help you to present yourself in the best possible light, highlighting your skills, experience, and achievements. With ChatGPT, you can be confident that you are putting your best foot forward and giving yourself the best chance of success in your job search. As a freelance programmer, or even just someone who doesn't know much about programming at all, Using ChatGPT can be a great asset to your work. Here are some tips on how to use ChatGPT effectively for freelance programming commissions and works. Generating ideas for projects. If you're feeling stuck on ideas for your next programming project, ChatGPT can help. Input a few keywords or a general topic and let ChatGPT generate ideas and suggestions for you. Writing a good project proposal is crucial for getting commissions as a freelance programmer. ChatGPT can help you generate language and structure for your proposals, making them sound more professional and convincing, creating clear and concise communication with clients. Communication with clients is key in any freelance work, including programming. ChatGPT can help you generate clear and concise language for emails, messages, and other forms of communication with your clients. Generating technical language. Programming is a highly technical field, and using the right technical language can make all the difference in communicating with clients and other programmers. ChatGPT can help you generate precise and accurate technical language for your programming projects. Writing code comments. Commenting your code is an essential part of programming, and it can be time-consuming to write comments for every line of code. ChatGPT can help you generate comments for your code, making it easier for you to focus on the actual programming. Generating code snippets. ChatGPT can help you generate code snippets for specific programming tasks, such as parsing JSON or working with APIs. This can save you time and make your programming more efficient. Writing technical documentation. Technical documentation is crucial for any programming project, but it can be time-consuming and difficult to write. ChatGPT can help you generate clear and concise technical documentation, making it easier for you to focus on the actual programming. Writing blog posts and tutorials. As a freelance programmer, creating blog posts and tutorials can help showcase your skills and attract new clients. ChatGPT can help you generate engaging and informative content for your blog posts and tutorials. Creating AI-powered tools. Finally, as a programmer, you can also use ChatGPT to create your own AI-powered tools. With ChatGPT, you can generate language models, chatbots, and other AI-powered applications that can help you stand out as a freelance programmer. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help freelance programmers to streamline their work and make it more efficient. With its ability to generate code snippets and provide helpful suggestions, ChatGPT can make the programming process much easier and faster. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is a machine learning model, and like any AI tool, it's not perfect. Therefore, it's important to always check and verify the code generated by ChatGPT before using it in production. To use ChatGPT effectively for freelance programming, it's important to familiarize yourself with the various prompts and commands that you can use to get the best results. Additionally, you should always be clear and specific in your requests, as this will help ChatGPT understand what you're looking for and generate more accurate responses. You should also be open to experimentation, as this will help you discover new and innovative ways to use ChatGPT to improve your work. Overall, ChatGPT is a valuable resource for freelance programmers who want to make their work more efficient and effective. By using ChatGPT for code generation, suggestions, and other programming-related tasks, you can save time and increase your productivity. With the right approach and mindset, ChatGPT can help you take your freelance programming career to the next level. Thank you so much for continuing your support in our quest to deliver the best future science videos on all of YouTube. See you around next time and take care.